Hey everyone! In today's video, I'll show you how to record a Google Slides presentation. I'll walk you through two simple ways to record your slides right from your laptop. So let's jump straight in. First, go to slides.google.com or open it from the Google Apps waffle icon. Once your presentation is loaded, look in the top right corner, you'll see a record button. Click that. Now click Record New Video. When it opens, click Record and you'll get a 3, 2, 1 countdown. You might be prompted to allow docs.google.com to access your audio. Just turn on the toggle and click Allow. Now your slideshow is recording. When you're done, click the red Stop button. If you don't like it recording, click Re-record. If you're happy with it, click Save to Drive. Your recording will automatically upload to your Google Drive. But here's an important note. This option is only available for Google Workspace accounts. That means if you're using a free personal Google account, you won't see the recording option. You'll need to be the presentation organizer or part of the organizer's organization to use it. Now, if you don't have access to the built-in recorder, don't worry. There's an easy alternative using a Chrome extension. Click the three-dot menu in Chrome, hover over Extensions, and select Visit Chrome Web Store. In the search bar, type Flawnext Screen and Webcam Recorder. Click Add to Chrome, then Add Extension to install it. Once installed, sign in with your Google account and allow microphone and screen access. To make things easier, click the pin icon next to the extension name so it stays visible on your Chrome toolbar. When you're ready to record your Google Slides, click the Flawnext icon on the toolbar and select I accept. Then click Record Your Screen. Choose whether you want to record your browser tab, window, webcam, or both. Next, select your preferred video resolution and choose the audio input like system sound and microphone. Then select your tab and click Share. Now your slideshow is recording. When you're done, click Stop Sharing to finish. Your recording will automatically open in a new tab. Just click Manage and then Download Video to save it to your computer. And that's it. Two simple ways to record your Google Slides presentation. Whether you're using the built-in recording tool or the free Chrome extension, both methods work great for saving important presentations or online projects. If this video helped you out, make sure to like and subscribe for more quick and easy tech tutorials. Got any questions? Drop them down in the comments. I'll be happy to help.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.